include the following county: Lufkin, Georgia.
Oh, only one county. Nice. That's fine. I'm happy with it.
Means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain.
I can't believe they just issued the watch. It was a 40% chance. Wow.
Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets,
Or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Alright, well, there's the watch.